Excited ng fans sa dalawang power duo na mabubuo sa paglipat ng NBA stars na sina Luka Doncic at Anthony Davis. Si Luka makakasama si LeBron habang si Davis ay makakasama si Kyrie Irving sa bago nilang tandem. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan si Ian Suyu.
It's official, nasa kani-kanilang mga bagong team na ang na-trade na basketball stars na sina Luka Doncic at Anthony Davis. Humarap sa media bilang miyembro ng Los Angeles Lakers si Luka, habang si Anthony present sa practice ng Dallas Mavericks sa Philadelphia. At kung nagulat daw ang basketball world sa trade, mas lalo raw sina Luka at Anthony. Si Luka, inakala raw na prank lang ang lahat.
I had to check it was April 1st. I didn't really believe it at first. And it was a bit shock. But as I said, I get to play in the greatest club in the world and I'm excited for this new journey.
Gayunman, excited daw siyang manalo ng championship kasama ang bago niyang katandem sa court na si Lakers superstar LeBron James. Kwento niya, agad siyang kinontak ni LeBron.
And we didn't talk much because, he said, I understand what you're feeling. But that was really nice of him just to call me right away and welcome me to LA.
Si Davis naman, nag-congratulate pa sa LA na nanalo kontra sa New York Knicks nang matanggap niya ang balita sa kanyang trade.
They found out like an hour later I was no longer with the team, so I was in shock. Obviously, had no idea that what was happening. But now is I'm kind of over it and just kind of getting ready to play with Dallas.
At kung may LeBron at Luka tandem ang Lakers, makakasama naman ni Anthony si Kyrie Irving sa Mavs.
I'm very excited. Me and Kai talked about this. We've been wanting to play alongside each other for a very long time, and now we got the opportunity to do so.
Pareho pang nagpapagaling sa injury sina Davis at Luka, kaya nakaabang ang mga fans kung ano ang magiging impact ng trade pagdating ng playoffs. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Ian Suyu, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Julius Babaw po. Iba na ang may alam at may pakialam sa panahon ngayon. Para sa Frontline ng mga balita, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5.